Hello everyone, this is Syed Arif Hussain and a good morning. It's a fine sunny day here in Kyoto, Japan. And as you know, Kyoto after Tokyo is the second most or highly visited prefecture or city in Japan. I was reading out some stats today about the number of visitors, although I couldn't get the exact number of visitors who were visiting the Kyoto, but it's in millions. So millions of tourists are visiting Kyoto, and Kyoto actually is a famous for example, cuisines. If you want to, then if you want to have a Buddhist vegetarian things, and it's also famous for shrines and temples. I was reading out that maybe there are around 17 famous shrines and temples alongside Kyoto, and many of them have been enlisted in World Heritage. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So you can see the instructions are being given that please wear a mask. So now you can see I'm at the entrance of this beautiful temple. So I'll let you know about the history of this temple, who built this temple later. So what I was discussing that this Kyoto city is a very famous for shrines, for temples. So whenever you're visiting Japan and you're visiting Kyoto, so a few of the temples are very must visit places. So you can see a ticket counter is there. So we'll be heading to ticket counter. Our friends are waiting there, so we'll buy some tickets. I just heard, you can see that construction activities are going on in the temple. So you can see in the view. So we're still going inside just to see. So our ticket counter is there. So I'll ask them how much is the ticket price. Rashid San, how much is the ticket? Rashid San is going there to check the 400 yen for adults.
You can see there. For
Yeah.
children it is 300 yen and
Yeah,
for
you-
adults it is 400.
Videos they are
So,
asking, please don't make any videos.
so you can see it's a 400 yens. So now we are going to buy the tickets. So our friend Navid, Navid is our cashier of this tour's cashier. So now he's trying actually, because he's managing all the financial activities. And yeah,
Coronavirus, we are wearing the mask.
yes, COVID-19, and actually there are. This is the first place in Japan I saw that some people are also standing and they're instructing us to wear a mask. So Azhar San is also. Azhar, how are you feeling?
Actually I am feeling a bit disappointed because I wanted to capture a lot of pictures in front of Golden Temple and it is under construction now. So
So you can see,
it has ruined, or you can say.
no issues, but we're visiting at least a place.
Yeah.
This is what we need to learn.
Thank
So our tickets are there.
This beautiful place.
Yeah.
So here is your ticket.
So
Tickets are made it very beautiful and also fascinating way of the ticket and all this.
it's a kanji or
All these kanji characters.
kanji.
Read it actually.
We cannot read it.
We cannot read it. Single sentence we cannot read it.
So let's go inside. So now we are moving inside. As I told you earlier, that some construction activity is going on in Kinkoji Temple. So let's see how we are going to. So you can see the instructions are being given to us. Ohayou gozaimasu. So it's a perfect sunny day. Arigatou gozaimasu. So instructions are being given to us. See the beautiful golden temple. So actually there are different there are many names of this temple. I was reading out the history. Now it's very common. People are the people know that it's a golden temple. But if we look back into the history, so this temple is having a multiple names and multiple things are attached with this temple. So
One more thing I want to add, the thing is that before parking our car, they showed us pictures that you will not fully enjoy. So if you want to go back, you can go. So
this
that
this
was
is a good
the
thing.
about them. They are, you can say,
They're not making money.
yeah.
Actually, they are letting everyone know the exact.
There are many Japanese people around.
Yes, many Japanese people are also around there. So you can see the construction activity at the moment is going on. So the official, the original name, see. Let me show you the this is the actually the picture of this beautiful temple. But at the moment, yeah, you can see many foreign tourists and even Japanese are visiting. So this is the original picture of this temple. But as
We came here to see the picture of
So-
Golden Temple.
see, the construction activity at the moment is going on, and at the moment, so Rokonji. I was talking about the different names of this temple. So Rokonji, actually the original name of Kinkakuji temple or shrine was Rokonji. Later on, they changed that name, and basically it was built in 1397, like many hundred years ago. If we talk about the more history of this temple, so this temple basically was a retirement villa of Ashikaga Yamanishu, and then it was converted into a Zen Buddhist temple by his son. So so you can see here some associated maybe buildings are also there. Some Japanese people are visiting this one. So you can see a beautiful lake is surrounding. The thing I liked about Japan is the preservation or maintenance of their sites. So you can see such a beautiful view. Even millions of tourists are visiting, but still they're holding or they're maintaining their places. So see, now I'm actually at this this main spot. You can still see some golden things as well. So see, let me show you now. I'm actually requesting Naveed to please show you the other views of Naveed. Can you please just hold on and show them?
Okay.
Show our audience. Please tell something about
Please take this.
your stay and Japan.
Okay, so konnichiwa, Watashi Naveed desu. So we're moving towards the other side of this temple. You can see actually some construction is being done here. You can see it's a scaffolding kind of structure, and they have covered this golden temple with this kind of scaffolding. So there are also some Japanese people, and we have already showed you that the construction is being done here. That's why we are unable to move inside and show you more how worthy it is. So we hope that you enjoy our vlog, and if you like our vlog on this golden temple, do subscribe, like and share this video, and take care. See you soon.